You have good content.
Thank you. Fast little run through, and my hair is straight. And I flip it. Yes, support this company, support my girl T. Y'all make sure y'all tip her. You know, she doing the thing. She doing the thing. Say Ashley sent you. Just kidding. Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. This is my installation video that you've been waiting for. Guys, I've washed my hair. I've had my hair in for about a week or two almost. And this is the hair washed. So I'm about to straighten it so you guys can see exactly what I'm working with. I absolutely love my hair. It's so like, okay, I'm about to show y'all because just the way that it detangles, wow, amazing. Right now I'm using the KareCo Detangling brush. This is the best invention ever. Works for natural hair. I love using this on my natural hair. And also works marvelously for this hair right here. So as you can see, it takes no time to get my hair detangled. And I'm going to show you. And I'm going to be using the Ion Titanium Platinum Straightener. And look. Look at how simple this process is. I just like to take my time and go through. It's taking no time at all. I went to this lady, her name is T. She's literally the sweetest person ever. Great conversation, good vibes, good energy. She did such a good job, You guys definitely have to check her out. I'm gonna insert her Instagram beside me so you guys can check her out. She's so efficient, super fast. It's funny because she was talking about my hair and how like basically it's like thick all over, but somehow she got it done. Like I have very thick hair and my hair is still looking laid. That's how you know that she knows what she's doing, because the closure isn't rising, anything, it's just laid. And I appreciate that so much because you can't find that all the time. So she's doing her thing. Super sweet woman. Her and her husband are so funny. Like if you went, you'd really enjoy yourself. They're so funny, so kind. They have such a beautiful family. Good vibe. She has her whole little salon in her own place, y'all. She doing the thing. So go on down there. You are in the DFW area. She lives in Arlington. Show her some love. Show that family business some love, because they're very good people. They're actually gonna make a family YouTube, which is so cute, and her sons are so funny. So I definitely recommend that you keep up with her. Follow her on Instagram, and whenever she's ready to drop that channel, y'all go on down there and support, because she deserves it. And look, she did that, y'all. I'm whipping this hair like it's mine. She did that. Like, she did that. I've had, in the past, I've worn like extensions and stuff, but this is my first sew-in. I wear like clip type extensions, and I've had such a great experience. I'm never going back. Like, she changed my life. Yes, she got me out here living my best life with my hair. So, thank you, T. I know you'll see this. Thank you. You is the realest. She's the realest. Like, and it's so funny because my personality, I'm very like open to speaking to people, but I'm super big on energies. So I can feel people's energies, and I'll kind of like base, you know, whether or not I feel like making conversation based off like your energy. If you have good energy, then I'm all for it. And yeah, you can just really pick up on her energy my first time meeting her, that she's just a good person, a good, kind-hearted person. And you don't find many people like that out here. She made me feel very comfortable. Yeah, so definitely make that drive, make that commute. But yes, y'all, UNice hair is a game changer. It's too affordable to miss out on this. Too affordable, like. And the good thing about it is I can definitely tell that this is hair that I can reuse, you know? Like, if I wanted to reuse this, I could. And that's what I really love. No shedding. Y'all, I'm just, wow, I literally, and the good thing about it is even when the hair is kind of like dirty, like, you know how your hair, when you first wash it, it looks like super good. But even when it's like kind of getting dirty, you can braid it. Like, I'll sometimes will like plait it and get that little body wave effect. So if you're in between getting a body wave and getting straight hair, definitely get you some straight hair, because you could definitely turn it up into a little body wave, whatever you want to do. So you got options, you know? You got options, so definitely support this company, support my girl T. Y'all make sure y'all tip her. You know, she doing the thing. She doing the thing. Say Ashley sent you. Just kidding. But yeah, she doing what she needs to do. UNice doing what they need to do. No fraudulent behavior. I see them fraudulent videos popping up on my recommended. I haven't had that experience, luckily, so thank you, UNice. Thank you. I trust in you. I trust in what you offer. So yeah, it's not a scam. It's not a scam. Y'all going down there. Get you some hair. So yes, yes, yes. This is gonna be the last strand I straighten. And yes, guys. This, what I did isn't even like thoroughly bone straight, and it's still looking super straight. Fast little run through and my hair straight. And I'll flip it. Yes. So I'm very pleased. 10 out of 10 recommend. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Thank you. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, anything you would like to see, any products you'd like for me to try out, feel free to comment below. Like, share, subscribe, join the family. You're welcome here. And if you watched to this point, I appreciate it. Have a great day.